This baking calculator is perfect for you to help you to price your products and also to figure out your net profit and your profit margin. This sheet is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. It works in Google Sheets and Excel. So let me show you how it works. So you've got 3 different sheets here. This is a blank one, and this one is just a sample so I can show you how it works. And then we also have a measurement conversion chart. So going back to the baking calculator, here on the left side, we're gonna start putting in our ingredients. So we'll start with flour, and then we're gonna put in the full package amount. So say we need a cup and a half of flour. So we're gonna go and figure out how many cups are in our full bag of flour. So say we've got, 35 cups. So we're gonna choose from the drop-down box of flour. And that package costs, say, $25. And then we're going to put in that we need 1.5 cups of flour. And then it's going to calculate your total cost out of that package. So you can put your entire list of items that you need for making the product. We're going to put in our recipe name. So this is going to be a chocolate cookie. And then here is the preparation part. So for planning, we could pay ourselves or a staff member an hourly rate. So let's say we're going to pay them $16 an hour, and we're going to figure out how long it took us to plan, prepare, and bake the item. So it's just going to say it's going to a 1/10 of an hour to plan, a 1/4 of an hour to prepare, to bake. Let's say it took a full hour to decorate. Let's say a 1/4 of an hour. And you can use this for any other item for your hourly rate. And then packaging, say it costs us $3 to package the item in a box. And then we can also use this to calculate how much it's going to cost if we delivered the item. So say we had to drive 5 miles, and then we reimburse ourselves 70 cents a mile. So that's $3.50. So the total cost to prepare the item is $28.60. Including the ingredients, which was $12.86, the preparation and the delivery, it's going to cost me $44.96 to make this batch of cookies. And then we're going to see, okay, how much now are we going to price this as well? Here on the bottom, we're going to also be looking at our profit margin. So we want to see, okay, how much money do we want to be making and how much profit do we want to have? Most people like to have around 50% profit. So let's bump this price up to, let's say, $70. We're right now at a 35% profit. We go to 80, it's 43%. So let's bump it up to 90. So we sold our chocolate cookies for $90. Now we've got a net profit of $45 and a profit margin of 50% profit. If you bump it back down, back down to 60, you've got a 25% profit margin. So you can just play around with these numbers to see, how much are you going to make? How much cookies does this make in the entire batch? And then, what margin am I wanting to get at? So that's how this sheet works. I have a business baking bundle that has this sheet in it. It has lots of things to help your business, like to track orders, to track your income and expenses and things like that. So feel free to check that out on my website. I have over 400 sheets to help you to stay organized with your home and your business, your budget, and things like that. So feel free to take a look around again at savvyandthriving.com, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.